Hi, my name is Catherine. I'm with the Bravadas in Kansas City, and I'm here to welcome you in.
I was looking for something that would help build my confidence. My hair had started to thin more after COVID. And Kara always made me feel comfortable. I felt like I could ask her anything. She took the time to understand what I needed and the way I like my hair. The great thing is I've been coming here for 2 years now. I have a couple of different pieces, and she almost knows me better than I know myself.
Usually when you're walking in, you're scared, you're nervous. Our customers have a difficult time presenting themselves to the world as they are, and we're here to instill that confidence and build that confidence with hair.
Nobody plans on losing their hair or wanting to lose it, and that's really hard. So I was pretty emotional and a little grumpy the first time I came, but I met some amazing people and I got comfortable with the process, and I started to find beauty and fun in the whole thing.
I've had alopecia since I was 4 years old, and that's been over 50 years. And I've worn hair pieces for a little over 40 years, so I kind of know what I'm looking for and I know what I'm talking about.
I once had a customer here with alopecia. She did not think wigs were for her. We tried a few synthetic options, and we finally found a human hair piece that felt like her. She was able to leave with a smile on her face and actually ended up giving me a hug on the way out.
First wig I got here was quite lovely. Like I said, I've worn wigs for many years, and I kind of know what I'm looking for. The stylists are very helpful. I think Bravadas would be a great place to bring your loved one if they are experiencing cancer or alopecia. Everyone here is very kind and supportive.
I think Bravadas is a great place for somebody who's going through medical hair loss. We do offer private rooms where you are able to try on any pieces that you want. We can customize those pieces and help you feel more like yourself.
I would describe Bravadas as friendly, clean, bright. It's just when you walk in here, you just get that feeling of welcoming. I never felt uncomfortable. I would recommend it to anyone who needs that confident booster. Just the pieces that I've received, that I've gotten here as well, they're the hair toppers, and I didn't want a full wig, but they just provide that little bit of extra, and my friends notice it too. And they're just such good quality, and they're so easy to use. So I like the texture, I like the colors. It's a perfect match for my hair. Why would I go anywhere else?
We look forward to meeting you.